Let's start. The project name is Recyclerview Animation. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, a model class, and an adapter class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity, and a row_item.xml file, which defines the layout of the recycler view. In the anim folder, we have different animation files. Let's see them. Let's see the UI. Here we have the recycler view. The height and width of the recycler view match the parent. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the recycler view. The layout animation attribute describes the animation of the recycler view. In the row_item.xml file, we have a text view. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the text view. Let's see the Java code now. This is the model class, with a string variable name as the data member. This name variable will be shown in each row of the recycler view. These are the imports. This is my adapter class. These are the data members, which contain an array list of the model class type. In the onCreateViewHolder function, we inflate the row_item.xml file, and pass the view into the viewholder class. In the bindViewHolder function, we fetch the data from the model class, one by one, and show it in the text view. In the getItemCount function, we calculate the total number of rows in the recycler view. This is the viewholder class. These are the data members of the class.